What's up, family? Today we're gonna be on the markets and we're gonna be analyzing and focusing NASDAQ for the week. And of course, we're gonna be, taking you step by step with this focused because we want it to be packed with so much education for every beginner watching this video or any intermediate trader. And of course, we're going to be analyzing it through smart money concepts. So every concept that's going to be spoken about is through identifying what banks are going to be doing in order to make money or to move the market. So make sure you watch this till the end, and also like and subscribe because this is gonna bless you so much. Okay, family, so we are on the market. I'm using a new recording software, so hopefully it's alright when it comes to each and everything that I may be audible for you guys. Okay, as you can see, we are on the 4-hour time frame, and the pair there is NASDAQ. Okay, NASDAQ, that's what we're analyzing. So I just want to quickly take this, right? As we can see, NASDAQ is actually going to be falling all the way till December, I'm telling you. And we did say this, I believe saying this to my students to say, this year we're going to see the market selling and it's going to reach its lowest ever since. Okay, so I'm just going to take this and I'm just going to place it. I just normally use this for my H1. So it's fine. I'm just going to take it and highlight the low and the high. So I'm doing it a bit different here because as you can see, structure is quite clear that we are pushing all the way down. It'll be very much insane of us to look for sells. So what I'm basically doing is I'm going all the way here, and we can definitely see this whole trend that the market has just broke. And of course, the last low there, that was what? 23 of March 2020, and of course the market rallied all the way up from then on, reaching this ultimate high. And ever since, traders have been anticipating the market that it will go higher, but it's not going higher. As you can see, when we started this year 2022, the market started falling, of course, all the way. So it's quite clear that we're actually in a downtrend right now. And let's just go back to any smart money concept. We can identify a change of character over here. So I've been saying this for a while. That's a change of character. We've broken that low. And of course, we do have a break of structure to validate for us that we are going for sells. Okay, there we go. Break of structure that we're going for sells. And of course, as the market was creating all of these lower highs, we can understand that is for us when the market gets to fill in either supply. In this case, we'll be talking about supply. So we have our POI right there, okay, which the market did mitigate, just touched a little bit, and it fell all the way, breaking that structure. And of course, we do have an imbalance or a fair value gap that was filled, okay, and we can definitely see that fair value gap being filled all the way here. Now we currently right here, okay, we currently right here on this lows. So what's going to really happen once we're here is the market just going to create a double bottom and go all the way up? What is it going to do? Of course, it's going to create a double bottom to engineer liquidity. Okay, they will engineer liquidity. So I'm going to highlight a very good supply over here. I'm just going to take, in fact, this one here. Take the supply that we see that the market will tap into. And of course, what we can anticipate quite clearly is that the market may create a double top, and for those on the smaller time frame, they will anticipate, of course, we're creating double tops, we're going higher, but I do anticipate that it will continue going further, at least if we can put our take profits somewhere here. So let's not be too ambitious, but we will see as the market structure proves itself. So it may tap into this supply and fall all the way or go bearish all the way till that point. Now I do also anticipate that we may also go into the daily time frame to make this even much clearer, as we can see that we can actually be looking at these levels where the market on an intraday perspective, those of you who are on the markets this Monday, on the intraday perspective, the markets are already buying. So it's quite proves my my theory right here, or my hypothesis, my learned friends, is that we may go all the way here, fill that supply, and of course break this and take this as liquidity for the market. So we know that retail traders will be putting their stop loss somewhere under that that spike right there. And of course, what the market will essentially do is that they will move the market up bullish, creating a retailer sentiment, thereafter drop the market as they want to engineer liquidity today. Okay, so we can also go to the 4 hour and we can definitely see exactly what I'm talking about. This is the supply that we're talking about right there. So I may just refine this, because this is a very strong supply that the market had created the whole of last week. And in fact, we may also come back to this point. Let me just get something here. We may also come back to those points right there. In fact, this is an OB, because we do have a lot of imbalance. So the market may actually start to give us that uptrend. And what will happen, we have trend line traders thinking, of course, that will be a breakout. So they will have their trend lines drawn like this. And what the market will essentially do is confirm, of course, their bias, do everything like this. Once they're thinking, of course, the market is going to come back for a second break and retest or anything like that, the market will sell. Or essentially, what the market may do is that it may push all the way here, okay, and sell, because that's the supply that we see over here, or the order block, if you want to call it that way. So it may break out, come back, hit that point. So it's gonna break out. When they think it's gonna go for that beautiful trend line retest, it will actually be taking their liquidity again to push the market all the way down as we anticipated it on a 4 hour time frame. I hope I'm quite clear with this analysis, and I'm quite being straightforward with the information and so educational that you may find it. Okay, so let me know on what you think, guys, about this focus. Let me know in the comment section. As you know, we are trying to build a very good trading community over here of traders who are like-minded, the same style of trading. So let me know on what is your opinion, and respectfully and be civil so with that opinion in the comment section. And of course, don't forget to like, subscribe, and also share this channel with your friends and family, because a lot is going to be happening. More education, we're dropping it this week, so make sure to do that. God bless you. This is your brother in the kingdom, Emmanuel Mokhane.